Hi guys. Hi. Hope you all know me. Kamalam Samelo. You know. I'm not well guys, today is the 16th of December 2025. I'm not feeling well. I'm sweating. I hope you guys can see my t-shirt. You see, got two colors. I changed another one. It's outside now. Now I don't know what to do. And it's a holiday today, because I would go to clinic or see a doctor. So I'm gonna go tomorrow. Because I do have medication. So I took some medication, pain, and then yeah, we're gonna take it from there tomorrow. If I'm still feeling the way I feel. The reason why I'm sweating, I think, is because of in the morning I was cleaning my tummy. Today it was my tummy routine, and then it's something that we go through, especially people who live, with this condition. I urinate with something called catheter. So I use catheter. So sometimes it will block, but now the urine is draining. And I'm drinking a lot of water, and I don't know why now. What's wrong? Because I'm just sweating, and at the same time I'm feeling a bit dizzy. But yeah, I'll check it from there tomorrow. I'll give you a feedback. But my point for coming here today, just to tell you guys, I'm not feeling well. And I can't fake. This is how I feel. It is what it is. So I'm gonna give you a feedback tomorrow. Yeah, man. I'm wet, and I'm getting cold. I'm not getting hot. Oh, I'm feeling, yeah, that's how sick I am. You see, I'm sweating. But now I'm feeling, yeah, I'm still wet. My skin, it's wet. Yeah, that's how it is. That's how it is, man. I don't know. It's part of my life, man. It's part of this condition. We accept it, man. We wanted to live. This is what we go through. It's life of disability. Thank you.